Cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving to the Malahat SkyWalk on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, an accessible 600-meter tree walk through a beautiful conifer forest leading to a spectacular gentle spiral ramp that takes you up 32 meters to a sightseeing lookout offering views of Finlayson Arm, Saanich Peninsula, Mount Baker and the distant coast mountains. In the heart of Vancouver Island, where forest meets sky and sea, lies a place designed to elevate the senses called the Malahat SkyWalk. It's mid-May and the sun casts long shadows as we drive towards the Malahat SkyWalk entrance and parking lot. After buying our tickets and taking a quick photo with the friendly Sasquatch sculpture nearby, the journey begins not with a climb but a walk. On the path, artistry meets ecology. Wooden sculptures of bears appear like forest spirits, then a wolf, eyes gleaming with quiet wisdom, watches over the path. These sculptures, crafted by local artisans, pay homage to the wildlife that calls this region home, blending culture and nature in a way that feels deeply connected to Vancouver Island's spirit. From the wooden hut, we step onto the TreeWalk, a 600-meter elevated boardwalk that spirals gracefully through an ancient coastal rainforest. Crafted from timber and steel, it winds gently through the canopy, inviting guests to slow down and listen. The rustle of leaves, the distant calls of a raven, the scent of the sun-warmed pine, all combine to create a sensory immersion in nature's cathedral. As we meander along the tree walk, we encounter more of the artistry of the Malahat SkyWalk's wooden animal sculptures. A majestic owl, carved with intricate detail, stands poised as if ready to take flight through the trees.
And a scary Sasquatch went across the Malahat SkyWalk, terrifying people.
The tree walk gently spirals upward, leading us to the heart of the Malahat SkyWalk, the 32-meter tower that promises a view like no other.
Okay, off we go.
As we begin our ascent, the wooden ramp curves gracefully, each step drawing us closer to the sky. The structure is a marvel, blending modern design with the organic beauty of the surrounding forest.
I thought it would be steeper. It's a pretty gentle incline, really.
Well, I suppose it would make it for everyone.
Yeah.
People in wheelchairs.
Yeah, true. And people bringing stuff upstairs. Wow. That's our spray.
And for the young at heart, a slide offers a playful descent, but most choose to walk like us, slowly, reflectively, back through the spiral, retracing their steps with a sense of wonder.
Getting to the top.
Takes a while to get up here.
Yeah, takes about what, 10 minutes? Roughly?
Yeah. The adventure map. Oh, no jumping.
For those looking for a touch of thrill as seen here, the Adventure Net offers a suspended view straight down the forest floor.
You can't even dip on that.
Okay. Whoa, whoa. That's pretty bouncy.
No, I haven't jumped on it.
No.
Hey.
Whoa. Very bouncy. There you go.
At the summit, the reward is profound. A 360-degree panorama unfolds, and at this hour, the late afternoon light paints the landscape in hues of gold and amber, casting a magical glow over the scene. The Finlayson Arm Fjord carves a dramatic path below, its deep water reflecting the sky. From this vantage point, the Saanich Inlet glistens below, the Gulf Islands stretch into the distance, and on clear days, the snow-capped peak of Mount Baker rises like a sentinel on the horizon. Interpretive signs offer insight into the region's geology, indigenous heritage, and ecological significance, grounding the view in context and history. Nearby, an eagle perches proudly, its wings spread as if caught mid-flight. the trees, beneath the sky, this is Malahat. And this is the magic of a late May afternoon on Vancouver Island. Thank you for joining us on this latest adventure.